everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make instant chicken biryani. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. To make this instant chicken biryani, we will be needing these ingredients. One and a half chicken mixed pieces, 3.5 cups of Sella rice, spice mix that makes up the Garam Masala, which includes 3 to 4 star anise, 3 to 4 pieces of mace, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons of cloves, 8 to 10 pieces of green cardamom, 4 to 5 pieces of black cardamom, and 3 to 4 curry leaves. 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes, 1.5 cup of fried onions, 1 cup of dried plum, also known as aloo bukhara, 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 2.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt for the biryani masala, 1 tablespoon of Chinese salt, 1.5 cup of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of salt for the rice, 2 to 3 medium-sized tomatoes sliced, 2 cups of fresh coriander, 4 to 5 green chilies or per your taste, 2 teaspoons of egg yellow food coloring, 1 teaspoon of Anise extract, also known as Garam. We can start by adding fresh chopped coriander to a bowl. Then add the crispy fried onions, the tomatoes, the dried plums, and the green chilies, and mix everything together really well. Now set this aside for later. We will start by boiling water in a pan and adding salt for the rice. Once the water comes to a boil, we can add the rice. Remember, since we are using Sella rice and not the regular basmati rice, we have to soak it in water for 2 hours before boiling. Now at the same time, we will also start making the biryani masala. Start by adding oil to a pan and the ginger garlic paste. Cook on medium flame for about a minute, and then add 5 cups of water. Then you can add the chicken. At this point, you can turn the flame on high and add all the spices. Now let the chicken cook until it turns pale in color. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Here we are adding salt, Chinese salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and mixing everything together. Then you can add the rest of the spices. Once the chicken has turned pale in color, we can add the potatoes and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add a layer of the fresh coriander and tomato mix that we prepared earlier. Now on top, add the yellow food coloring and the caver essence. Now we can strain the rice. Now we can add a layer of rice on top of this layer. Once you have formed a layer of the rice on top, add 1 cup of oil to the rice. Now cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can check the water at the bottom, and if there is remaining water, it will drip like so. You can let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can cover and steam the rice on low heat for 7 to 10 minutes. And there you go, our instant chicken biryani is now ready. We hope you'll give this recipe a try, as it's a super easy alternative to making the traditional biryani. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you for watching!